Okay, good morning everyone. Before the presentation starts, may I introduce my team. My name is Pio from Thailand, and this is Muntaza from Jordan, with Alfie and Palava from Indonesia. Okay, today we are going to talk about a very cute animal, but very fascinating animal. Okay, if everyone is ready, let's get to know about this information, this animal called Bandicoot. First of all, let's look at where the name comes from. The word Bandicoot is come from an Indian language, Bandicoot, meaning pig rat, because they have a long snout and they have body shape like a tiny pig. Okay, as the order of scientific name is Peramelemorphia, and the family Peramelidae. There are three very famous species: the long nose, southern brown, and northern brown. Next. Okay, so what are the bandicoot look like? Okay, they are small to medium-sized mammals with brown or gray fur and a long point nose. You see the long point nose here and gray brown fur. Okay, before I hand over and bring next information to my team, I will introduce you about three interesting facts about Bandicoot. First, they are called ecosystem engineer because single Bandicoot can dig around 4 tons of soil per year. That means Bandicoot can help plant grow better. Second, the Bandicoot, they have the short pregnancy system. Okay, Bandicoot can pregnant in 11 to 12 days. The last one, Bandicoot have a special pouch. Okay, but it's not like kangaroo pouch because Bandicoot pouch is entered to the backward, different with kangaroo. Okay, now you already know about what the bandicoots are. Next, Muntaza will explain the next information. Please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I would like to talk about 3-section information. Let's start with the diet section. First of all, bandicoots are omnivorous. Omnivorous means that they eat animal and plants. They eat animal such as spider and worms, and they eat plants such as seeds, roots, and mushrooms. Look at this picture. Bandicoots use their nose to collect the food under the ground, and they make small holes. It's called snot box. Now let's move on in the next section where they are founded. Bandicoot lives in Australia and New Guinea, and we can find them in National Park and the quiet area. Before we move on the next part, we have information. In the past, the bandicoot the bandicoot live in many places in the past, but unfortunately, in this day, the places where we can find them are shrinking. Now. Habitat. Bandicoot loves dense bushes and thick grass, and they don't live in a small in a whole deep, and they make a nest. They make a nest on the ground, and by using a dry olive and dry grass. And when it's rain, when it is rain, the bandicoot kick the soil over their nest to keep it dry. Thank you for your listening. I would like to hand over to my colleague Elfi.
Okay, thank you Muntasa for your time. So on the slide, I will to explain two parts. There are threats for bandicoots and measures for bandicoots. So on this slide, I will to explain about threats bandicoots. Number one is introduced predators. So the biggest dangers for bandicoot is two animals. There are red foxes and stray cats. Why is very dangerous for bandicoots? Because bandicoots do not have natural skill to escape them. And number one is habitat loss. The biggest habitat loss for bandicoot is human activities such as farming, building cities, sever bushfires, and destroy that thick bushes that the bandicoot use for safety. And number three is road accident. I want to give some information. The bandicoot is nocturnal animal. What is the meaning nocturnal animal? Nocturnal animal only active at the night. So they don't have a natural skill to see in the morning or afternoon. So some people kill and hit by cars the bandicoots when the bandicoots try to cross the roads looking for some food. Okay, next. There are measures for protection. There are 4 parts. So I want to explain about the first one is predator-proof fences. It means human building large conservation area with special electric fences and to keep wild animals save the bandicoots. So number 2, feral animal control. It means trapping. National parks use trapping programs to reduce wild animals such as red foxes and stray cat. Number 3, captive breeding. It means breeding animal in controlled environment. For example, breeding the bandicoots in 2005, releasing them onto safe island such as Phillip Island in Victoria. Number 4 is community education. It means teaching local people to keep their pets inside or indoor and drive carefully when the bandicoots try to cross the roads, and encourage the people to keep and save bandicoot habitat. So after this we hand over to Palawa to summarize our presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Rafi. Now I would like to continue to finish our presentation. Please look at this infographics. As we discussed, bandicoots are very important ecosystem engineers. Their unique lifestyle of making ground nests and constantly digging for foods helps the soil, mix nutrients, and helps animals, plants, native plants to grow. From their identity, we have learned they are very special marsupials with very fast 12.5-day pregnancies, and they also have unique backwards facing pouches to keep their out while they dig. Unfortunately, half of bandicoots are already in trouble because they face severe threats every day from predators like foxes, cats, and sometimes they face danger from moving cars on the roads, and especially during the night, and rapid habitat loss because expanding human cities. Therefore, to save them from the extinction, we must support the 3K protection measures on the slide. You can see on the right of the slide, we have 3 key protection measures here. The first one is predator-proof fences. To create safe havens, these barriers are essential to keep out deadly predators, allowing bandicoots to live and nest without fear. The second one is captive breeding. To safely boost their population by managing them in controlled environment, and we can increase their number before releasing them back into the wild. And the last one is community education. To raise public awareness, we must teach people to drive carefully, especially in bandicoot areas, and keep local pets to stay indoors during the night. We must act now so they can stay safe for future generations. Every action counts and we cannot afford to lose them. By protecting bandicoots, we are also saving our ecosystem. That's all our presentation. On behalf of Theo, Muntas, Alfie, and myself, thank you for your attention. Any question?